How to remove repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove repost on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, let's say if you have reposted any videos, on TikTok, and if you want to remove it from the repost section, what you have to do is you just have to tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, at the top you'll see multiple tabs. From there you just have to select the repost tab. And now here, once you're inside the repost tab, there you'll see the list of all the posts that you have reposted on TikTok. Now here, you just have to find the post that you want to remove. And now here, once you have found that, just select it. And now here, once you are inside that particular person that or post that you have reposted, what you have to do is you just have to tap on the share icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you just have to select delete repost. And once you do it, the repost will be removed from your TikTok profile. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.